Maharashtra reported first suspected death due to Guillain-Barré syndrome. GBS. Is the situation concerning now? What is this syndrome and should you all be worried? Hi, my name is Neha Biswas and you are watching the Free Press Journal. Maharashtra witnessed its first suspected death due to Guillain-Barré syndrome (GBS) on Sunday following the death of a 40-year-old patient at a private hospital in Solapur. The sudden death has raised alarms about the increasing cases of GBS in the state, particularly in Pune, where the number of cases has surged to 101. Health authorities are investigating the cause of this rise, with concerns over water contamination and bacterial infections growing. A 40-year-old man who was suffering from diarrhea, cough and cold symptoms was admitted to the ICU at a private hospital in Solapur on January 18. Initially, his condition improved and he was moved to a regular room. However, his health worsened and he began experiencing difficulty in breathing, leading to his readmission to the ICU. Tragically, he passed away shortly after being readmitted. Doctors at Solapur Government Medical College performed an autopsy which indicated that GBS was the suspected cause of death. Viscera samples including brain, blood and intestinal tissues have been sent for further analysis. Health authorities expect to receive the final cause of death in the next 15 days. GBS is a rare but serious condition that causes sudden numbness and muscle weakness. In this condition, the body's immune system attacks the nerves. The syndrome can cause symptoms such as weakness, paralysis and other complications, with some patients experiencing long-term effects. While 80% of affected individuals regain the ability to walk independently within 6 months, some patients may take up to a year or longer to fully recover. Anyone experiencing these symptoms is urged to seek medical attention immediately. Treatment for GBS typically involves immunoglobulin (IVIG) injections, which can cost around Rs 20,000 each. Pune has been grappling with an unprecedented spike in GBS cases. In just 24 hours, 28 new cases were reported, pushing the total number of GBS cases in the city to 101. Normally, Pune sees only 2 to 3 GBS cases per month, making this surge highly unusual. Currently, 16 of the diagnosed patients are on ventilator support. Among those infected are 19 children under the age of 9 and 23 cases are in the 50 to 80 age group. In response to the surge in GBS cases, local authorities have intensified water testing, especially in areas with the highest number of reported cases. To ease the financial burden of families affected by GBS, Maharashtra's Finance Minister Ajit Pawar has announced that treatment for GBS will be provided free of charge at the government hospitals. This move is expected to provide significant relief to patients, especially in light of the ongoing surge in cases. As authorities continue to investigate the cause of this spike, they are also focused on mitigating further spread and ensuring that patients receive the care and support they need during this challenging time. That's it for now. Till then, I want to hear from you all. What do you feel about the story? Shoot your views with us in the comment section below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal. Thank you for watching.